Slid cameraman. Slid ba cameraman? Alright, you like it? Shrimp siya, bro.
Oh, ito yung dynamite shrimp.
So ayun guys, ito ang ATM Hub Floridablanca Poblacion branch. And at the same time, first natin may encounter ang Glam. So ba yung mga sinuserve nila, malalaman natin yan dito sa vlog na to. Very generous, thank you so much, Glam Bistro and Cafe. Ayan. In the same location, and nandito po yung ATM Hub. Ayan. So, dito naman nagsaserve sila ng refreshers, frap, and of course, mga milk tea. Finally, here comes the pizza. Here comes the pizza. Yun guys, so once again, thank you so much for being with me in this video. So earlier guys, tinikman muna natin yung mga finger foods na in-offer nila. And now, look at this. Look at my table. So meron tayong mga rice bowls dito. So they call them Glam rice bowls. Ayun. So on our table, we have sisig. We also have tapa, which is this one. And then next is the daing. This is the pork adobo. And meron din tayong chicken. You either order crispy or buffalo. And then, speaking of buffalo, so meron tayong buffalo wings dito, and then they also have chicken tenders. So this is the Kapampangan sisig. Now this one is the creamy tofu, sizzling din yan guys. Ayan, so meron tayong mga fries, burgers, pasta, and yung tinikman natin kanina, takoyaki. Let me taste this one. So ang pinaka-meat natin is actually chicken. Ayan, chicken base. You can actually request if a penne or flat noodles. It's up to you guys. So, pwede siya. One more. So, I wanna try this one. This is their daing bangus. Para sa akin, appetizing yung mga rice bowls nila, guys. Bangus belly. Tama na. More of the sisig. Right now, they also have burgers, bro.
Yes, they have burgers. So, feeling ko ito yung mas preferred ko. Itong Papa G's. So, tingnan nyo naman. For only 99 pesos, ganito na yung makukuha mo. Alright, so let's taste it. So, ako titikman ko yung kanilang Imelda Carbonara. Ito kasi is named after Ate Lenny's mom.
Okay.
One of the owner's mom. You know?
Now, if you are curious with their name, actually name nila is Glam Bistro and Cafe.
Yes.
So yung initials ng Glam na yun, pangalan ng mga owners.
So Glam means Gary, Lenny, Ann, and Mike. So doon na po yung name nilang Glam. Ako kanina is habang sinerve to kung
Yes, actually ito.
Ito yung una kong naamoy.
Ako for this one's really creamy. And kudos to its preparation kasi this has been sitting for a while, pero hindi siya naging dry.
For only 119 pesos, matitikman mo na itong sizzling tofu.
119 pesos, okay. Look at our table now. We have to clean up, no?
Yes.
We have to clean up some of the dishes to make way for their pizza. So, sabi nila sa atin, guys, this is a must-try din nila. Kasi yung dough natin, again, is
homemade.
Homemade din dito.
Homemade dough. So, on our table, so meron tayong mga flavors dito. Meron tayong Hawaiian, all meat, meron tayong pepperoni, and all veggies.
All veggies. I think for the all veggies, what made me parang curious about it, the cheese.
Yes.
Para sa akin yung cheese.
Siyempre ako, titikman ko yung kanilang all meat.
All meat, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for this one. Okay. Surprisingly, this is a little bit sweet para sa akin. And then finally, for our dessert, syempre ito yung kanilang lotus cheesecake. So titikman natin to. Again, this is homemade.
Ooh.
Wow! So for me, cheesecake, sometimes yung mga ino-overpower nila yung cheese tends to be sour. Sa akin, turn off yun. But this one, 50-50.
Yes, nandun
Still
yung
sweetness.
sour. Sakto yung balance ng sweetness niya.
And then, imagine, meron siyang taste din ng saltiness. That
Yes.
one is from our pinaka-base ng natin. Ayan. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Yes.
Share nyo rin dun yung sa mga friends nyo ang bago nating na-discover, which is Glam Bistro and Cafe.
Yes, so Glam Bistro and Cafe is located dito sa may Santa Maria, Poblacion, Floridablanca. And they are open from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
So for more information, guys, check out their fan page. Nandun po nakapost yung mga menu nila, and they also do delivery. So if you're just near the vicinity and you don't want to go out, order from them and then they're gonna deliver to your doorsteps. And if you wanna experience naman yung lugar nila, come and visit. So nandito lang po sila sa may Santa Maria, Poblacion, Floridablanca. There you have it, guys. We hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, we hope to see you there.
Peace out!
Bye, guys.